I say congratulations. What up, guys? What up for slang? Full point today? Perhaps. That could be the case. That could be the case, chat. Hold on. Let me lock in. Let me lock in, bro. Fuck, I'm tired. Let me lock in. What's your bias? I'm long today. Yeah, I'm bullish. If we go down, then we go down together. Alright, let me show you guys what I'm looking at today and why I'm looking at it. Then we go down together. Alright, if you go here, if we go to quarterly theory, each quarter has a range, right? So this is my accumulation. We accumulated and then we manipulated at a key time. Right? Manipulated at a key time. This is my manipulation era. Accumulation, manipulation, and this 9:30 to 10:30, no, 9 o'clock to 10:30 should distribute towards these highs. And then after 10:30, we could either continue the trend or we could see lower prices after that. So right now I am bullish. So let's see what happens here. Like I said, I am bullish right now to potentially take out these highs. And like, where's my draw? Technically, this previous daily high could be my likely draw. We go down, then we go down together. Down, then we go down together. Oh, let me do this. Let me do this. Just let me do this. Wait. I'm lost. Alright. When was that payout? It was like a long time ago, chat. Long time ago. I would show you guys, but like Top Step kind of banned me on their platform because I was that good, bruv. I hear it for Top Step. Cause my Discord got banned. Okay, no, I was just joking. My Discord got banned. Or no, not my Discord. My Discord got hacked and it went on Topset's platform and just posted like a whole bunch of like stream stuff, and like it was considered spamming. They banned me, so I can't even access their platform. I rode that all the way down and back up for 6K. Bro, yeah, nah. I don't trade pre-market, so yeah, I don't really trade pre-market, so. Why do you think it's been so since our last pack? It's because I feel like I overcomplicated a lot of things. Like I said, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This X, 1030 could either be 1030 could either be continuation, or it could take out this high, create SMT at previous daily highs, and then we go lower. But right now, previous daily high is my draw on liquidity. Bro, just give it, bro. No, I'm not giving up. This is like my quarterly theory that I have marked out. Let me see. Let's see. Is XRP at all-time highs? That's a W. I would like it to retrace, but this is distribution, so I don't think we will retrace, to be honest with you. But previous daily high is my draw. Guys, you guys know how I invested in Dogecoin? Bro, it got rugged so hard. This is what happened. I got rugged. Bro, Dogecoin got rugged. I lost, like, that's crazy, bro. I don't know if you guys saw that. This cute little panda, bro. Bro, my friend calls me a panda all the fucking time. Bro. When I had the chance, take it to everybody, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing. Yeah, no, I suck at meme coins. I kind of fell for the trend. Alright, let's see what happens here. If we end up taking out this previous daily high during the 9 o'clock to 10:30 phase, then I'll wait for 10:30 to see what happens, right? And if 10:30 ends up like, if we end up creating SMT at previous daily high, then I'll look for shorts after 10:30 happens, because we have lots of unfilled imbalances here, and we'll be at all-time highs again too. So way too much risk for you right now, to be honest. Yeah, no, because that copy trade accounts. Cause all you wanted to do was dance. And I want to go. I want to up my size low key so I can pass these fucking accounts. I've had these accounts for so long. Alright, we're about to take out previous daily highs here, which is good. What's good, D. Augustin? Oh, I know it's probably much too late. I just want. Let's see. Alright, we have SMT at previous daily highs now. So I'm not gonna look to trade this right now. I'm gonna wait till 10:30. Once 10:30 opens up, then I want to see what ES does here. If we continue to have SMT between ES and NQ at previous daily highs, then I'll look for shorts. to go lower, right? So X for me could be reversal here. New coin pop up fun grows grok of shit. Do you trade meme coins? I don't trade meme coins. No, I just like I'll dabble here and there, but I don't really trade it. Bro, I'm so stuffed, bro. Yeah, bro. Once I get a hair, I need a haircut, bro. Bro, like, yeah, no, like, no, not what I meant. No, fucking my friend and I, we went to get dinner last night. That girl that you hit, kid, bro. No, bro. No, she got bro. She got really pissed off, bro. At me, she got really pissed off. She followed me on Instagram and everything, bro. She got really pissed off. Fucking we were arguing about something stupid. It was something stupid, bro. Like I'm gonna live. Guys, I feel for that TikTok propaganda, bro. Bro, she's literally calling me right fucking now, bro. She's mad at me, bro. I don't know why she's... What?
I might have accidentally committed fraud.
Yeah, I know. I just saw your story, G.
Dude, literally, it was for my food stamps, right? And I was on the phone, and she's like, "So you weren't employed?" I'm like, "Well, I got money from Giant, and I was technically employed. It takes a month to get into the pharmacy." And she's like, "Oh, well, we could like run that as fraud, blah blah blah." Bitch, you didn't tell me. Like, I don't know how Oklahoma is with like that kind of stuff, but Pennsylvania, like, they don't answer the phone. They barely give you any information. So I'm like, God damn it. Like,
Yeah, no, you have to like do it every month.
every month? See, my renewal was in like 5 months. It's
Nah, it's every month because they never know.
just like reporting my stuff. I mean, I know like it varies state by state. Like, I don't have to report my stuff every month, but I do have to report changes, but nothing like changed because
I mean, you got a
they
job.
just
That's
asked
what
for my work
changed.
study. No, like I I am employed at Giant, and I'm also employed 2 jobs at the school. I'm employed 5 different places, and they know that. And I told them that, and like, I don't know. It's okay though, because they'll just be like, "Hey, I'm really unsure. I was employed. Like, I have the letters. There was no overlap because my pay stub came after I got my employment letters, and she made me submit them. So."
Right. No, yeah, no. You're gonna, yeah, they're not gonna give you like free food stamps if like you have 5 fucking jobs. So
Well, I don't make enough from those jobs, so
I think if you make
because they're intermittent.
I think if you make like less than 2,000, then you have to.
Yeah, I'm making less than that.
No, you're not.
I'm working during school, so I'm making less than that because these jobs aren't consistent.
Oh,
It's
I
fine.
see.
It's
I
fine.
see. I see.
Whatever. But I hope they don't come after me.
They're not gonna.
Because
They're not gonna come after you. You'll be fine.
that would be mean.
No,
Don't you think?
no, they're not gonna come after you. You'll be fine.
Hold on. I got my employment letter from Penn State on
Bro, like this
a
shit's so
way
fucking
June
stupid,
20th.
bro.
That's
Like
like
I don't care.
not
To be honest with
right.
you, I really don't care. Right.
This was June 6th. So,
Yeah.
despite Penn State, hold on, I'm actually going to submit my other one.
Yeah.
sick of this. I'm sick of it. Okay, here's maybe a stupid question. I'm sorry, what are people supposed to do if they're like not working or like have overlap for a month?
The government provides for them,
Well,
realistically.
they just said like they wouldn't have given me food stamps because I would have been on a meal plan. No, it's summer. Like whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, see, this is why like my mom deals with everything, because it's a lot. Trust me.
Yeah. I'm uploading the other ones.
I got you. All right, I gotta wait. Come back.
What?
The
Hold on 1 second.
the people want to see what you look like.
Hold on 1 second. Sorry, I just had to.
All right, here, look good really quick.
Do you think I did?
You look good.
Actually, I don't care.
Oh, okay.
Did you get new wallpaper?
No, I just gotta. Hold up,
Hi.
hold up. Why is it so fucking blurry?
Because your camera sucks.
Oh, don't do that. Yeah, yeah. W's in the chat.
Nobody's in the chat.
No, it says W in the chat, bro.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Well, I gotta go. I gotta fucking trade. Hey, at least someone says you're not that bad. So why'd you follow me on Instagram after we had that argument, bro? You were pissed.
No, I unfollowed you because you started following a bunch of people from where I go, and I don't want to be associated with it.
Oh, because literally after we fought, like, we didn't even fight. We just had a very big disagreement.
Whatever. That was just like a weird thing to do, and I was like, okay.
Bro, you did the same fucking thing, bruv.
I've never
Bro, don't
like,
do that
went
shit.
on your Instagram and tried to find like sexy people.
Okay. All right.
And like give fucking weird lines.
Those weren't.
Love is an open door.
How are you, darling? How's that fucking weird?
Because if someone said that to me, yeah, it's a no.
Yeah, I mean, some
That's
people.
me personally. I don't know.
Some people just
Did
can't.
anybody respond?
No. Yeah,
Did
because
anybody see it?
I think some fucking I forgot her name. Someone did see it. Yeah. I'm like, okay, whatever. Unfollow. Fucking weirdo. All right, I gotta go though.
Okay, you go.
All right, I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
All right, bye. Like, bro, I really didn't care, to be honest with you. Like, genuinely. Cue my monkey. Hello. Looking for shorts? Yeah, so low key, I haven't taken anything yet. I mean, if we're in the distribution phase, like this fair value gap could have been a potential entry. But at the same time, like, this is not like a high probable entry here for me. I mean, we have a nice little rejection block, but bro, is she gonna see the stream? Yeah, nah. You fuck with her? Nah. She's cool. We just have very different views of the world. Very different views. Nah, the price just opened up and just pushed up. And we took our previous daily high. We have no SMT. So I honestly, I believe that I believe at 10:30 we are going to retrace and go back higher. This 10:30 is going to be a continuation. So I'm anticipating that we just keep continuing towards the upside. She's not racist like you. Nah, bro. She's not racist, bro. I am though. Bro, dude. Cut her off. If she's not racist, cut her off. Bro, my friend said something like so funny yesterday night, bro. We went to go get food, bro. So funny, like it was so funny, but it was so fucked up, bro. It was so messed up. Like, it was so messed up, bro. I would say, but I don't want to get canceled. Radio. I am cutting. No, the thing is, like, I am cutting, but last night we just went to go get food. Like, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We had like 15 wings and some potato wedges, bro. It was the best fucking food I've had in a while. Tell us what your friend said. I'll tell you what he said. It was like we were sitting down at a booth, and I'm not gonna look to trade just yet. I'll wait. But basically, we sat down in a booth, right? And he was like fucking around. He had a straw, and he put the wrapper next to the straw, and he blew it, and the wrapper went to the other side of the table, and the people behind us were the people that were sitting behind us were Mexican, and then he was like, "Oh yeah, they're just happy to be here." So wait, I forgot what happened actually. Fuck. I forgot what happened actually. I'm stupid, bro. All right, I'm not locked in. All right, let's lock in, bro. I gotta get my coffee in. I gotta lock in, bro. My memory's complete garbage right now, bro. I gotta lock in. All right, what am I looking for? So basically, we just took a previous daily high. We're at all-time highs. I'm looking for this can be continuation towards the upside, right? I'm looking for a continuation towards the upside, right? We tapped this 4-hour gap, boom. Nice little rejection block here, 4-hour gap. Dropped down to 15. We have lots of fair value gaps here, right? I want to see price could either like continue. I want to see price continue higher. But ain't unlocking, bro. Like I said, market open and it just pumped. So there's nothing much I can do from here. All right. So please do not yell at me. All right. There's nothing much I can fucking do from here. Okay, bro. What am I supposed to do, bro? Market opened up and just fucking completely opened up. So what am I supposed to fucking do? Like what the fuck am I? Oh, what the frick am I supposed to do? All right. I don't get it. This is a fucking. The thing is, like, there's always a trade. There's always a trade. Leave some morphine at my door. Yeah, exactly, bro. Dude, last night or on last Friday, bro, I accidentally left a limit order and it made me lose $339, bro. I was so mad. I was so mad, bro. I was so mad. I was heated, bro. I was heated. All right. We're gonna upload another gambling video, bro. Bro, it was funny, bro. It was funny, bro. I enjoyed it, to be honest with you. What if I did it IRL though? What if I did it IRL though? Wait, do casinos allow cameras? What if I did it IRL? Turning $100 into 1,000. Let's see what happens here, actually. We'll pour your money. Never be your mother's favorite. Like right here, this fair value gap wouldn't be a bad idea to long off of, but it's just so big. Like this fair value gap is just so big, bro. And plus, we kind of have like a devil's mark down here, bro. So this is a. What the fuck is this? We kind of have a devil's mark down here, so we could come back down, retrace here, and then go higher. So I don't know. Ooh. If you can't get a payout in key, you're not getting paid out at the casino, perhaps. Along the 50% mark of the inverse fair value gap, IVG. Excuse me, dang. The thing is, we're in a distribution phase right now at 9 o'clock to 10:30. We're in a distribution phase. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Stop trading, bro. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even get to do anything, bruv. I mean, feel like here, like, I'm a G. Right? Just longs. Just longs, bruv. Longs. Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I pick up the broken pieces, still I'm bleeding, but that make it right, 'cause there'll be no sunlight. Of course. My eyes will do the same if you walk away. That's what I want to see here. This should hit. Like, people think I have bad psychology, bro. Take care of myself. What did I do? Like, I'm trying to be happy. What would I do without your smart mouth? Like, bro, this is the best. This is all about trading. Like, you just gotta be chill. Be chill, bro. And just make money. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical. Bro, this girl got a fucking fatty, though. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let me show you guys, bro. My head's underwater, but you're crazy and I'm out of my mind. So oh my gosh, I give up. Bro, all right, let's vibe. Let's lock in. All right, right now, like I said, I'm looking for buys. I'm just biased. I'm just long bias going into the day right now. Bro, people actually went longs, bro. Why didn't you get in either of them big moves? Bro, it's because, like, I trade at market open. I trade during market open. Not, like... Technically, I did. Technically. My worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I lost my college down payment on this Drake Kennel. I don't know what to do. You know what to do. You need to lock in. You need to get the Hokage. Bro, that's so cringe. That's so cringe. How much are you risking? I want to risk like less than $500, to be honest with you. I just drink straight up black coffee and like put a little bit of honey in it. Bro, I know I'm going to be profitable by the end of before the end of the year. Nah, bro. Like, dude, listen. Market opened and it just pumped. Like, what are we supposed to do? There's nothing much we can't do, to be honest with you. If we're in a distribution phase, we should be respecting bullish PD arrays. Boom. Bullish PD arrays. Give me all of you. Oh. This was an easy buy. Perhaps it is. Less than 500, but you got 50K accounts less than making $100 per trade. Yeah, no, I gotta lock in, bro. I gotta lock in. Curves in all your edges. Let's see what happens though. Give me your all to me. I mean, we all see different things, so that's completely fine, right? You might see like that, but I see something different. You know what? I'm gonna have like the ugliest chart colors because I'm actually like bored. Oh, this is actually horrendous. Oh no, I have a funded account and I have 2 evals. Oh, this is horrendous. Oh, wow, that's bad. This is gonna make us profitable. Watch. No, I actually can't do this. This is actually hurting my brain. This is actually making me lose brain cells, bro. Here we go. Oh, we're back. Thank God. Do you know R? Chop, chart, chopped, trade. Bro, I'm not chopped. Am I actually chopped? Be real. Am I actually chopped? Do you know RR trades? I do. No, I do not. Bro, am I actually chopped? Bro, there's no way I'm that chopped. How am I chopped, bro? How am I chopped? I don't get it. How am I chopped? I'm 21, bro. How am I? Alright, let's lock in. Bro, this is so boring. Like, what am I supposed to do? I am on in queue, yes. I'm not Chinese. Hop on test and you will cut. Dude, the thing is, if I hop on test, bro, I can't hop on test, bro. I don't think we're getting a reversal here. I think we just go bullish all day. Exactly. If I hop on test, then like my Johnson would like go even smaller, bro. And I need it to be I need every inch I can get, to be honest with you. I need every inch I can get. So like if I hop on test, like, it could potentially make it smaller, right? But I can't do that to myself. I need every inch I can get, to be honest with you. Let me see. Average size for men. Oh wait, this is height. This is for height. Well, I'm nowhere near here. That's for sure. Oh wait, let's lock in. Would you give some inches off of your height for some below or vice versa? Bro, no, I actually wouldn't. I think I'm like at a perfect size, to be honest with you. Hello, Octavia. Thank you. You trade safe too. Hopefully we can make some money, bro. Hopefully. That's the plan. Nothing so far from me. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's lock in. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. To play. The average is 5.2 inches. Oh, yeah. I'm nowhere near that. Let's see. For race. I'm like this. To be honest, I'm like this. So I'm already kind of cooked. To be honest with you, I'm already kind of cooked. I'm already cooked, right? I'm chopped. I'm cooked. Like, bro. Like, there's nothing much you could ask for, honestly. Bro, I just need a beautiful woman from a village. Go to the village, find a beautiful huzz. Bro, I feel like my Instagram pickup lines are like kind of trash. What's the most innovative one trade? Probably like 1,000, maybe like 3K total. Guys, my pickup line is so trash. Can someone help me? Actually. Ugh, excuse me. Like I said, there's nothing here for me right now, bruv. Wait. What do you target for long septum highs? I use standard deviation. Standard deviations. If I don't have a target overall, I'll use like standard deviations to give me a projection of where price is most likely going to. Right? From the low to the high. We have a low high from the low to the breaker, right? From right here. So I'm projecting price to come to these highs or to this area and start seeing potential rejection. Right? But I'm bullish overall, right? So I want to see already max standard deviation, to be honest with you. Just talking to yourself, but no girl likes that, bro. How long did it take you to become profitable after first trading? I'm still unprofitable. Okay, I think there's something wrong with Instagram, bro. I can't log in. I am unprofitable. Bro, okay, I give up, actually. Alright, whatever. To hop a finish trade? What is this chat, bro? Bro, like, I'm not even balding. I'm not shorting this Bevicto. I'm actually in longs. We're big enough. Like, there's nothing here for me to look, bro. Like, what am I supposed to do? Does this turn me down? Bro, guys, I'll give you guys this. Shinobi's new video. I don't know if you guys know Shinobi trades, right? This video was gold. I'm not gonna lie. This video was gold. This video was low-key gold, right? I'm like, okay, that's how you top take and bottom take. Easy. Like this video was a very, very good video, to be honest with you. Good explanation and everything. Yo, what's good, Maddie? Hello, darling. Can you please stop risking $80 to make only $200? What's the whole point of the 100 account? No, facts. Bro, it's because, like, dude, the days where I actually go heavy, I end up losing. And the days I go light, I end up winning. So it was just like, bro, fuck. How do, like, that's, like, the problem that I have right now. Like, I'll go heavy some days and then just lose. And then the days that I do when I go light. So I'm like, damn it. You know what I mean? I have an XFA account and I have 2 evals. Use same size every time. You stay same spot. It's not you use the same size every time. You stay in the same spot because it's not consistent. Perhaps. Just risk 1% always. Perhaps that could be the case. No, like, all right, fine. I'll like 10 micros and then 5 micros, because like sometimes my stop loss would be different, right? My stop loss would be different sometimes. So that's where, like, I'm like, damn, because I don't want to have a fixed stop loss because it's just not probable for me. Bro, this is black coffee with honey. All right, honey helps with your testosterone, and black coffee is just good for you overall. Just risk 200 per trade, 5/8 minis. That could be the case too. Yeah, you're right. I got you. Let's see what happens here. I'm bullish. I'm still bullish, but we're kind of just pushing up towards the upside. So, oh, do all the things I should have done. Bro, low-key, like, we might just sit here and kind of just not do shit, to be honest with you. Alright, let's set, like I said, even though we get like a CRT here, I'm still bullish regardless. I want to see, and guess what, we have a devil's mark down here, to be honest with you. Is Alpha nice, bro? Dude, Alpha Futures is the best prop firm out there, bro. Listen, $79.20 for a 50K account with no activation fee, $1,500 maximum payout, and a 1-day pass, bro. I don't see any other prop firm that's like on the same level, to be honest with you. Like, genuinely speaking. I'm not glazing. I'm being real. I'm being a realist. Alpha Futures. You can pass Alpha Futures in 1 day if you get the no activation plan. A devil's mark. So if each candle, what is that devil's mark? So if each candle has an open, low, high, close, as you can tell, this one doesn't really have a low, right? Price is more likely attracted to this area, right? It's like on the daily chart, if we don't have like an open, low, high, close, and we just kind of just open up, for example, let me see. They're all here. So you see it, for example, right here. See how this candle doesn't really have a low? If this bullish candle doesn't really have a low, price is more likely attracted to this opening price, and we have a gap here also. So that's like, I'm like pickpocketing, but vice versa, like this one right here, we don't really have a high. Come back up, take out the high. like right here. I mean, I would have liked to see this as a strong draw, to be honest with you, but we didn't do that. That's what I mean when I say devil's mark. You forgot to mention that you're not allowed to risk more than 1%. That you need to 50% consistency to reconcile. Yes, that too. That too. Yeah, you need to have a consistency rule. But no, you have to have a consistency in order to request one. But trust me, it's if you're making the same amount, then you'll be fine. That's literally, if you're making the same amount, you'll be fine. You have to choose the 0 plan. I don't. Let me check. I don't know if it's 50% or like 20%. Let me check really quick. All right, let me check the G Alex. Let's see. It is. No, it's not 50%. Oh wait. No, it's not 50%. You're able to lose more than what you are on a regular 50K account. That's a good thing. So you know how like you risk 2,000 on a 50K, you're able to risk 3,000, right? Let's see. Qualify stage consistency rule, just a 40% rule in the funded stage. Oh no, it's 40%. It's 40%, not 15. It's 40%. 40%. And it's a 90-10 profit split, which I don't think is comparable to any other prop firm, to be honest with you. 90-10? Come on, lock in. Consistency rule, alpha. What? Consistency. If you're asking what it is, it's basically you just have to make around the same amount, like every day. Like you know what I mean? Like you can't be making like $3 grand and like $100 the next day. You know, the consistency of you making that much is not there. You know what I mean? You can withdraw 50% of your balance. Yeah, but alpha, you're able to request 90-10, and you're not risking. You're not paying more. Your ROI is returned faster. There's no daily loss limit, max loss. So alpha futures, the maximum loss limit is. So it depends on what account you're on, right? All right, we're not getting shit right now. Basically, zero. No, bro, trust me. No, bro, you get 90-10 profit split on bro. The owner texted me this, bro. Trust. The owner texted me this. 90% profit split immediately. No ramp up period. Start with the highest profit share from day one. When do you make 20K? I don't. The standard plan is 50%. Standard plan is still 90-10 overall. Consistency is I mean, it might be different for standard and advanced, but I don't know why you guys would get the. You could just get the 0 plan. To be honest with you, it's just so much better. I need a fucking haircut. What is up with the box at the top? This is just quarterly theory. Quarterly theory. Ain't it funny? No, I'm not short. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. This price tapping into this area is most likely just going to be a retracement to potentially these gaps, and hopefully like a rejection block, and then like go higher prices. I'm not looking for shorts right now. I'm looking for longs. Why are you using a spoon to drink coffee, bro? No, it's because like it was hot earlier, and I had to put honey. Okay, so listen, I had to put honey with my spoon, put it in here, stir it up, and then I just kept it with me. It's not hot anymore, but you know what I mean, chat. bro, we have legs today, bro. We're squatting heavy, and then like, bro. Bro, this is back. This is back when I was like lifting like super heavy, bro. Like super heavy. Like I had like this Inzer belt and everything, bro. And like, bro, this is actually crazy. And like I have to adjust this because I got fucking fatter, bro. Like, wait, no, I'm actually, wait, this fits perfectly. You're still a traitor. Wow, I'm surprised this belt still fits me. I think I lost weight, actually. But yeah, time to log in. Cuts. I'm taking the cut seriously, bruv. Cut serious. Something wrong. Bro, that's pretty funny. Bro, what does a Chinese person say when something doesn't go their way? Something wrong. Something wrong. Guys, I was hit with a question. Oh, yes, I trade quarterly theory, technically, yeah. I was hit with a question, and the question kind of went like, are your friends hanging out with you just because they want to, or because they don't have any other options? And I'm like, bro, it's a great question. I have no idea. How can we not talk about family and family's all that we got him? Everything I was doing, just standing there by my side. I have no friends when it's summer, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, are they just hanging out with you because they have no choice? Or do they actually hang out with you because they genuinely want to? You know what I mean? Do your friends rub your belly? If they don't, they're not your true friends, bro. My friend would. My friend does like Muay Thai. He just kicks it. Oh, that sounds so rough. Oh, that sounds so rough. My bad. Alright, I'm done with this coffee. Oh my gosh. That wick was crazy. Bro. That wick was crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, that wick was crazy, chat. Bro, thing is, I literally hopped on TikTok on my phone and I saw Shinobi have a sell limit up here. It was like a sell limit like around here and like a 10-point stop. And he just got wicked out so fast. I don't think his like I don't know, bro. Like for some reason, like I don't think he's a New York trader, bro. He's more like an Asia trader, to be honest with you. Because a 10-point, like I don't know. That was a crazy candle. I saw Shinobi have a short position here and just get stopped so fast. No, like standard deviations, like I'll watch for price to come up here, and then like I'm not gonna just short off these standard deviations, right? And then like I'll look for like a 1-minute confirmation or like an OTE of the area, and then like enter. But I don't. That's like kind of unprobability trades for me. I don't know what news there was, bruv. There was no news today, chat. We kind of just we didn't really do much. Or we didn't really have news. Yeah, no levels either, so it's like kind of hard to like top tick shit, you know what I mean? So I can't really do much. But like I said, I am bullish, right? So I want to see price push up towards the upside. But this next quarterly theory at 10:30 is going to open up. I would like to see price retrace into a gap and then go higher towards this -4 standard deviation area. So I am bullish. What is we have earnings this whole week? Perhaps, let me see, earnings this week for stock market. This is, actually I have no idea. Okay, it looks like we have like Monday's earnings, Domino's. These are pretty heavy actually. These are some pretty heavy news. You trade CIZ, remember? Nah, I do not know what CIZ is, to be honest with you. We broke up a month ago. Just something new. Is that the better of you? She's so sweet. She's so pretty. Gonna see if lunch goes down for PM to pump again. Potentially, right? So like after 12 o'clock, after 12 o'clock, I usually like to do another quarterly theory from 12 o'clock to I think 18 or to 1800, right? And then yeah. And then we'll see, we'll just redo everything else again, you know? But that's just me though. Life is going great though. No complaints, honestly. Let's just see what happens here. 1030 is about to open up, so I want to see price retrace back down one more time to this gap. Or literally any gap, it doesn't really matter. She looks kind. She probably gives you butterflies. I hope you're happy and not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. What time frame do you trade in? I trade 15-minute and higher, and I'll drop down to like the ones for entry. Don't be happier. Yes, I think I'm like very confident in my strategy, to be honest with you. Like genuinely, I'm very confident in my strategy. So yeah, like the reason why I haven't been doing backtesting streams is because like I already know my strategy works. I already know the strategy, so it's just like I don't really see a point to keep backtesting and just confusing myself. So I kind of just limited myself from like backtesting, to be honest with you. That's why I don't really backtest streams anymore. Cause like I already have my strategy, I already like know it, and it's just like I just gotta keep continuing. It's just consistency now, bro. Yeah, of course. That's why like even if your strategy works, you have to practice actually taking a trade through repetition. Exactly. That's why I'm trying to do it like through like live markets. But what are you drinking from Viking, dude? No, I gotta stay healthy, bro. Gallon of water every day. Every day. Chug 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 chug. Let's see. This song is complete trash. Even trading strategy, after yeah, wait. More actively. The algo. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything. 90-minute cycles, right? I think it's like 90 minutes is 2 hours, right? I don't know. Let's see what happens. I want to see price pull back into a gap. Baby, I'm going for me. I just want your company. Let's see what happens here. 10:30. I want to see continuation towards the upside, but I want to see a gap get tapped first. How you making 20K a month, bro? I don't. I'm a pathological liar. I'm a pathological liar. Bro. I forgot to tell you guys, dude. Listen, there was this girl that I found attractive, kind of, right? Like this is a crazy story. Excuse me. I found this girl kind of attractive, right? And I'm like, okay, whatever, right? I'll give her a chance, whatever. And we hopped on a call last night. It was like 1 a.m., you know what I mean? We hopped on a call, and she's fucking crying, bro. And I'm like, why are you crying? I'm like, why are you crying, bro? Like, bro, I did not sign up for this. I did not sign up for this, right? I gave her a chance, right? Nah, I hopped on a call. It's like 1 a.m. And pretty much what happened was she's crying, right? She's like, oh, like my ex, like blah blah blah, my ex this, my ex that. I'm like, bro, I don't care. Show me that. Show me them. Show me them cherries, bro. Like, I don't care. Just show me the cherries, bro. Like, I really didn't care, right? I really didn't care, right? And I'm just like, bro, I don't care. Technically, I don't care. Like, I'm just trying to like tap and like, yeah, that's all I'm really trying to do, right? And I want to see price come back down to this gap. 10:30 opened up, so I want to see price like we come back down to a gap, right? So, like, I really didn't care, right? She's like, we're talking for like a minute, and she's like, wait, I'm gonna go call my ex again. I'm like, bro, what? Okay, and I was like, no, I was so mad. I'm like, bro, okay, yeah, go, just go call your ex again, right? 20 minutes comes back, I'm still awake. She calls me again. I just don't pick up, bro. I was not trying to listen to her cry. And like her fucking, the thing is, she had a lisp, bro. And I'm like, oh my god, bro. She had a lisp, which is nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with the lisp. I just personally wouldn't go for one with a lisp, right? And she's just crying, or we called, she cried, and then like I'm like, bro. And then she called the first time she called, she cried. She went to go call her ex again. I'm like, okay, whatever, go. And then she called again. I enter, and then we're talking. She's like, oh, like, bro, I didn't understand a single fucking word she said. To be honest with you, I'm the one that's taking the hit. To be honest with you, I'm the one taking the hit. I'm the one that's fucking like suffering, right? And like after that, she's like, "Oh, I'll call you back." And I was like, "Okay, whatever, go." I just never called her back, bro. It was bad, bro. Like she was crying and she was like, "Oh, yeah, like my ex, and I just gave her everything." And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Like, I don't care, bro. I don't care. I'm just pop the cherries, bro. Please, just pop the cherries and just move on. Like, let's just be like, bro. And then, bro, like, she snapped me twice this morning, bro. Like, I don't, like, bro. 8 hours ago, bro. I have receipts, bro. I have receipts, bro. Don't do that. I have receipts, bro. Let's see. All right, bro. Fuck it. I really don't care. I'll leak your name, bro. Bro, look. Bro, look. Like, bro, look. 2 calls, and then a missed call. Right, okay, listen. We have 2 calls, right? The first call, she said, I'll call you back. And then the second call was like us talking, and then I'm like, okay, whatever, don't call me again. And third call, I didn't pick up, and then she snaps me twice. Bro, I'm telling you, I don't lie, bro. I have receipts for everything. I don't lie. There's no point of lying. I'm not gonna open the snap, bro. Fuck that. Like I just pop the cherries, bro. Like, I really don't care. I'm not calling her, bro. I'm not calling her, bro. Like, I'm not trying to sit here and like listen to her cry, bro. I don't have the time for this shit. Like, I don't have time, bro. I could be chopped. Listen, ask her to pop them then, bro. Like, bro. Her friend is low-key kind of bad, though. I'm not gonna lie. Her friend is low-key kind of bad. Like, she's like a skinny blonde, bro. Look, I'll show you guys really quick. Oh, fuck. I can't, like, okay, I can't show her. Like, bro, I can't show, like, her friend. You know what I mean? Her friend low-key kind of bad, though. Like low-key kind of bad, though. You better find someone better than a crying girl. No, facts, bro. Like, I genuinely, like, I didn't care because, like, I care, but I didn't care. You know what I mean? Like, bro, she's not 16, bro. Don't do that shit. Post not clarity hitting. Oh, God. Bro, facts, bro. Fucking facts. Fucking facts, bro. And I'm like, bro, I really don't care. Like, genuinely speaking, like, I didn't care, bro. Like, bro, I was on my bed. I was literally in my bed. I had my laptop up, back testing. I was back testing. I shit you not. I was literally back testing on my laptop, and then like we're talking, and she's like, and I'm like over here just. This is my face reaction. I'm like, bro, I can't understand a single word she's saying. She's crying over her ex, and I'm like, bro, this is a waste of my time. So I'm like, yeah, just leave, bro. Like, bro, I'll just tap and dip, bro. Fuck it, I really don't care. Like, I'm like you guys, bro. I just, bro. Like, bro, fucking, I was so mad last night too. I wasn't mad. I was like, bro, this is a waste of my time. Bro, like, I was just listening to her cry, like, and like the shit that she was saying didn't make any sense, bro. I was like, what are you talking about, bruv? I'm like, what are you talking about, bruv? I'm like, bro, just stop, bruv. Next time you should also start crying, bro. If I started crying, bro, while she's crying, bro, that would be fucking hilarious, bro. Alright, that would be fucking hilarious. Cool, are you still giving us the free 3,000 or 300k from Apex? Yes. If you get one, I'll send you a code, and you just you can get it with any account size. Okay, if you next time he cried last night too. Cool. If a guy like you can ever get some girls, there's a chance for everyone, bro. Like, am I really that chopped? You can buy like any account, Brian, and then send me proof, and then I'll give you the account, the code. Am I really that chopped? Do you share macros? Not really, no. Bro, your LTN. What does LTN mean? You can either get an Alpha Features account, but you can get an Alpha Features account or a you can either get an Alpha Features account or you can get an Apex account. But I prefer Alpha Features, and I'll send you like an Apex code or something. What you doing? Where you at? Long time no see. Bro, you have B cups. Bro, chill. Just shake smooth like a newborn. Which firm? It doesn't matter which firm. Well, I already said that. So Chang, you can be a twin. Chang. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is gonna give in my heart. PF Chang's. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. You think we'll be a trade at HSPM? PM? Oh, dude, if not, then if we don't get a trade PM, I'll come back a PM session. Like I watch you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming. Like right now we're kind of just choppy, bro. Not choppy. We're kind of just not choppy. Up. I'm not gonna FOMO in. You start a business. No, the thing is, I have an LLC and everything. Like, I'm working on it, type shit. In a PM session for like around 2 p.m. New York time. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is got the chip in my heart. So if you're trying to play it on. LLC for being chopped, perhaps. LLC but no profitability. Exactly. What sessions do you be trading? I just trade New York. I'm doing amazing though. Thank you for asking, Tucker. What about the wrong things, bro? Perhaps, bro. I'm not getting a job, bro. I'm not getting a job. I can't. Just have a good personality. Yeah, nah. A good personality is not gonna help you. Well, it will help you actually. I lied. It will help you. It's going to help you. Okay, what's your model? CRT. 15-minute CRT. After finding a higher time frame. Draw. I am trading the Nasdaq. La 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 la. I need to give you this. Bro, I want, bro. I can't wait for like a girl to record in the gym and like film me looking at her, bro. I can't wait until she like says something, bro. I can't wait, bro. Oh, I'm gonna go bonkers, bro. Like this video gets me every time, like, bro. I don't know if you guys seen this video from Joey Swole. Like this girl's just like taking off her shirt, she's recording herself, and she's like, "Oh, do you have a problem?" And the guy's just looking. I'm like, bro, I can't fucking wait, bro. You're a creep. You're not doing anything, little bro. Bro, how am I a creep, bro? It's a public gym. It's a public gym, bro. Stop. It's a public gym. Stop. It's a public gym. It's a public gym. Has anybody... I am trading the Nasdaq. Yes. Are you gaining weight? No, I'm losing weight, bro. This shirt just makes me look big. Low key. It's a public gym. Bro, hold on. Let me see. Let me drink water really quick. Wait, if I go to like macro tracker, what is the BMI? Oh, BMI tracker calculator. I do this. All right, you guys see this? All right, BMI checker. I'm 5'6". Oh, this is gonna be funny. All right. I'm trying to long. But how much do you guys think I weigh? Be honest. How much do you guys think I weigh? I'm trying to find my BMI anyways. 230. Oh, chopped, cooked. Wow, cooked. Around. Okay. You guys gotta chill. You guys gotta chill with the numbers. All right, listen. All right, let's show. I am 210. All right. Next, calculate. Wait, where's like a calorie intake? When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. Alright, bro. This is actually so. This is actually chopped. There's no way that I can leave you stranded. I'm active. I'm active all the time. This is okay. This is actually trash. All right, whatever. Bro, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. The thing is, like, am I obese? Like, I'm not even obese, bro. I am very active, bro. Like, bro, if I in real life live streamed, you guys will see how active I am. I'm not even kidding. If you guys saw how, like, if I did it in real life live stream, you guys would see how active I am. How much basketball I play, how much lifting I do. Like, it's actually crazy. I'm active, like, all the time. Trust. Stand up? No. I'm not standing up. I'm not standing up, bro. Dog, you would look really good if you just lost some weight. Doesn't that motivate you? No, the thing is, I am on a cut. I am on a serious cut. All I'm eating every single day is fucking beef patties, turkey patties, and salmon. That's all I'm eating. No rice, just straight up protein, and then, like, working out. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. And drinking coffee. And then, like, in the mornings, I'll eat, like, oatmeal and, like, I think I might get rid of, like, my oatmeal and peanut butter in the morning and just start eating protein in the morning, afternoon, and dinner. Like, I'll have, like a Angus beef burger patty, which is, like, 320 calories with, like, 28 grams of protein. And then, like, I'll sometimes have 2 of those. And then I'll eat, like, a turkey burger patty, which is, like, 100 calories for, like, 26, 28 programs. Or 20, like bro, it's I think I need to get rid of, like, the fucking, like, the oatmeal, honestly, and just eat a straight protein, bro. I'm actually a hooper, bro. Like, bro, I'll do, like, an in real life live stream sometime, and you guys can see how, like, good I am, like, genuinely, like I'm actually tough. I'm tough. When are you gonna pass another count? Hopefully soon. Bro. 1v1 3 dribbles first to 30, bro. It's cooked. Do the cuffing method. Eat and then throw up, bro. I cannot throw up, bro. Throwing up is actually so exhausting. Has Soapy taught you time yet? Bro, Soap didn't teach me shit. He didn't teach me anything. Did bro say he's a hooper? I am a hooper. Chat. Baby 645. Baby, I'm barely alive. Baby, I take out my shit for the last time. Yeah. I don't want to take this volume balance. This is a tiny volume balance. I got a chug jug for, like, every time I be hooping, bro. Like, I'm thirsty after, you know what I mean? Start cutting. Women want to see the veins, not facts. Nice enough. Spiced it up. Hardy. Okay, when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. Cause every time we fall, this girl's lie. What do you think 5 seconds of CIC? 5 seconds CIC is very helpful, genuinely speaking. Bro, my bench is, like, probably, like, 2 4. I think the last time I maxed out was, like, 245. Like, 245. That's, like, kind of light, bro. But like, my bench is kind of trash. My squat's like 405 and like my deadlift's like 405. But I haven't deadlifted 405 conventional, by the way. 405 conventional, by the way. I don't see why you guys were short in this area, bro. Because like, I don't see why you guys were short in this area. There's like no PD racer left. Like we're not in. Like I don't see why you guys were short here, bro. I used to weigh so much less. I used to weigh like, I think I was like 200 pounds when I was like squatting like 405 and all that shit. But honestly, I don't even know. How much can I curl, dude? My curl sucks because like I have bad wrists. Like when I curl like this, when I curl like my wrist just hurts like really bad. So I just don't. I don't ever just like do like barbell curls. No, I couldn't, bro. I'll just like do like these drag curls. I'll just do drag curls and then like I'll do like preacher and then I'll just like superset it with like reverse curls and like hammer curls. Bro, trust. I've been lifting for like 3 years, bro. Like I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. Bro, everyone doesn't believe me, bro. Like this was me. Oh, bro. Can this? Bro. I lost myself, bro. I lost myself when I was trying to day trade a lot. I just lost myself. Okay, I can't even show it, bro. Am I just typing it in wrong? Alright, we're coming down to that gap. I'll look for longs in that area. Oh my gosh, if I didn't let me log in. Okay, perfect. Like, bro, this used to be me, bro. I used to be actually kind of jacked. Like, come on. This was after a workout. Like, bro. This used to be me. I was actually shredded. Like, I was actually like I was grinding, bro. I was grinding, bro. And then like trading hit. Like trading hit, and then like bro, I was actually shredded, bro. You guys don't believe I was taking this. I was taking the gym so seriously back then. Like I was actually like my legs were good. My proportions were decent. My traps were kind of small though, low key. But bro, I was good, bro. And like trading hit, I started trading, kind of lost myself a little bit. Like I was one sexy man, to be honest with you, with like my perm. Bro, like, should I get another perm? Should I get another perm? Like I met Sush. Dude, that guy's tall. He's tall. This guy actually trades. Yeah, nah. Like, bro, I wasn't, bro. Everyone calls me chopped. Bro, was not pulling the blade, bro. I cannot do Blasians, bro. That's not. I couldn't do it. Downfall. No, bro. I'm gonna cut it. I'm cutting for real this time. I'm cutting for real this time. I'm gonna get shredded. He fell with the Viets, bro. It's hard. Asian girls are like so hard to pull because like dude, Asian girls are like they're so stuck up, bro. Like, bro, it's so bad. Like my friend, my cousins that are guys, they say pulling Asians are so easy, but I find it super hard. But like I pull like the white girls like really easily, bro. Like white girls are just so much easier to pull than it is Viets or any type of Asian girls, bro. Like it's actually crazy. I don't know how you guys feel about that comment, but not to pull anybody. No way. I can't. I'm just kidding. Can you see DMs on Instagram? Oh, there we go. Actually. Bro, look. Oh, I can't show this picture on. I'm gonna get banned, actually. Like, bro. Like, this pickup line did not work. This pickup line did not work. Like, this pickup line did not work, bro. Like, bro, this pickup line did not work, bro. I just said, love is an open door. How are you, darling? Scene. Boom. Scene. Doesn't respond. Right? Next. Next. Next one. Oh, I use the same pickup line, but no response. No response. No response. This one, scene. Love is an open door. How are you, darling? Right? Scene. Yeah. These pickup lines are not it. Bro, like, it's so hard. I would shoot my shot, but right now, but I'm saving it for your back later. Oh, that's so tough. That's so tough. That's so tough. Actually, let me that's so tough. I'm actually gonna save that one. That's so tough. That's so tough. Bro, those are bot lines. Are they? Are they? Are they bot lines? I just say how are you, darling? With a rose. Alright, I got you. I would shoot my shot, but I'm saving it for your back later. That's so tough. I'm using that one. I'm using that one. I use that one. Just ask if she blows bubbles. Oh, perhaps. Perhaps. All right. Like I said, I want to see this gap get filled, bro, and then I'll look for potential entries towards the upside, man. What does MGC mean? Oh, micro gold? That's so tough. That's such a tough pickup line, though. Okay. Any trades taken? I have not taken any trades today, bro. We kind of just opened up market opening and it just pumped. This could be a slight retracement, but I want to see potential longs. I want to see price come down to this 15-minute gap and then go higher. But I am looking to see if ES ends up tapping it first, but it looks like not yet. Buy Dow. Oh, wait, let me check YM. Well, YM, it looks like complete water. I am not buying Dow. Crazy, bruv. Crazy, bruv. Trying to figure this all out for myself. I don't need you or nobody else. I'm done. I'd rather just wait. Perhaps I can invest. I still have like 11 o'clock to trade. 11 could be nice. And you, and you, and you, and you. The reason I can find no love. Exactly. I'll just take my time. Your time zone you in, bruh. Oh, I'm in Central, so it's like I'm like an hour behind New York. Let's see if I can just I'll keep looking. To be honest with you, I'm not lifting until like 1 o'clock, anyways. I'll show you guys like a basketball video that I have. I was actually so tough. And a young man like Pikachu. Man, this guy ducking me, bro. Like I said, I'm waiting for this gap to get tagged. I did not catch the long. Unfortunately. Pikachu. Hold on, let me check. But no, I want to see the gap get tagged first. Once the gap gets tagged, like, bro.
What's your name?
I was jacked, bro. Come on, man.
Do you prefer a short, muscular guy or tall and skinny?
I'm returning to the gym arc, bro. I'm returning to the gym arc. I'm returning to the gym arc. Fuck it. I'm returning to the gym arc. I'm returning to the gym arc. Fuck it. Is this my account? I can't find the basketball vid. Oh well. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, I want to see price kind of just dumb down to this gap here. Buying at open was low-key kind of like scary, bro. Low-key. Congrats. Made it out the mud with or without you. Wanted to sell off it's negative 2.5 deviation, but didn't. Yeah, nah. I didn't like these deviations like this because most likely retracement, but I wouldn't just short off of these deviations because like you don't really have a stop loss and you don't really have like anything to the left. I just wait for high time for Peter to get tapped in. What I've been through, you don't know. Stay ducking, bro. Sure the gap. No, I'm not shorting this. I want to see longs. I'm just trying to. Everything goes smoothly. Oh, drive me. Why not trade down also? It's just I feel you're right. You're right. I feel like it's less probability, and the reason why I'm not shorting to the gap is because it's not always guaranteed. You know what I mean? But we could always look for the gap to go higher, right? If we're bullish on the higher, like I just don't want to short this to come down to this gap because it's just lower probability in my opinion. What conflicts do you use? I use SMT, higher time frame gap, and or entry. Will you join the army if your trade doesn't work out this year? I would not join the army. Absolutely not. No, thank you. No, thank you. I've been the same ever since the first day. Can't believe me, cause I watched you since you first started. I be at different accounts though. Keep going. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Trying. Let's see, bro. I'm kind of just waiting, bro. This might take all day to be honest with you. But yeah, all I use is like SMT and higher time from PD arrays, and then order blocks for entry. I've been the same ever since the first day. Now you're just surprised, I bet you always knew. I don't trade actual stocks, so I don't yeah. Guys, should I do like a MacBook giveaway? Low key. Like, who would have won a MacBook giveaway? Like an M1 MacBook to trade on? Do you do a money giveaway? No, I need the money. Like a MacBook giveaway. That would go crazy. Or like an iPad. I'll think about it. I'll see if you guys are nice to me. If you guys are nice little bunnies, then I'll do one. Nice little bunnies. I need to pour me up a cup just to feel sun. I do so much I don't feel like none. Be hard for you to love me. Am I through it? I know it from me. Oh, I thought that I was back on track, but I feel lost again. These people are trying to trust yourself. These people are not your friend. I see money change, my friends. I see money change. I see motherfuckers change on the shit that I got. Oh. Let's see what happens. We're kind of coming down to this gap here. I need to pull me up a cup just to feel sun. 234. What? Damn, I gotta pay all these credit cards, man. I need it. Oh, oh, no, oh, whoa, here I go. 814 plus 814 plus 25. I am not looking to trade just yet. I want to see the price come down to this gap. I'm kind of just waiting patiently. 925 minus 926 minus 235. I need it from you. Oh, I need it. Need it. I need it down. I need it. Oh. 132 plus 132 plus 120. All right, let's see. Price is coming down to this gap, guys. It's coming down to this gap. All right, price is coming down to this gap. I want to see like a rejection block here. GG's the face cam. Is the face cam off? Oh shoot! All right, I got you guys. Give me a second. I guess the face cam died. I need to invest in a new one actually. Hold on, give me a second. I am looking for longs. Oh wow, this face cam is booty. I'll have to get like a new one. Like I need to get like a Sony Alpha battery or something. Oh wait, let's chill. Is this good? I'll have to look at it. Wait, that was a lie. Bro, Alpha Futures is probably the best prop firm, to be honest with you. It genuinely is the best prop firm. No glaze. Bro, I'm not shorting this. I'm longing this. I'm longing this shit. Cars don't help. Broke your spell. Bro, whoever gets an Alpha Futures account first, I'll send them an Apex account. What's a free 300k Apex account, bruv? Check trade recaps. Where? Your things are still in the box that you left in the bedroom. You're Lee and I'm here. Ghosts in the shell, scars in the cemetery, arms don't heal. Wow, this guy's goated, bruv. You got an MX card. I want to get an MX card, but it's like $500 to get one. Check Timothy. Trade recaps cool. Let's see. Oh wait, I want to do that too. This is what he's talking about. I want to do this. I want to do this. This is cool. This is fun. I want a top tick. I want a top tick. I'm pretty sure it's just a rejection block, right? So there you go. Oh, can't make a wife out of a hoe. Oh, I'll never find the words to say I'm sorry, but I'm scared. Let's see what happens. You could just CRT this and then go higher. Well, we're not really in a higher gap, bro. Man, come on, bro. Go in the 1 minute. This just looks like low resistance liquidity, to be honest with you. Like lots of low resist. We just broke above this, so we could enter. I'll probably give like a slight breaker entry here. Low, high. I'll give like a small entry here actually. If we can get break above here, this is the candle of such a liquidity actually. I'll wait for this 3-minute break or this 3-minute invert this 3-minute order block to get inversed. All right, if we can come back down to this order block. We just took out this 5-minute low. This gap could look probable for us to target. If we can come back down to this area here. I'll buy like 10 here. Let's see. It's like we're kind of rejecting off this. We're kind of rejecting off of this fair value gap on the 1. And plus we have a breaker here also, so this could look good. We might not come back down to this area. Because if we're bullish here, we should respect this breaker and this fair value, and this fair value gap. So I kind of really don't want to see price come back down to this area. Actually, I might take it on ES instead. No, because like, I might wait for this 5-minute order block actually. Tagging this 5-minute order block. What, 15 points? It's not terrible. Alright, I'll go and enter here. Stop loss at this low. Target this high. This fair value gap. I like this closure, right? This closure. Rejection block here. Kind of just tagged it. Rejection block here. I'm gonna see what happens here. I'm in light. I'm only in this with my combine, not on my funded. So we'll see how this plays out. I like this rejection. Off this gap. So I'm in light position right now. Just 5 micros. Off this rejection block. Actually, I'll put my stop loss a little bit this low here, just in case. I'll kind of cover up this breaker. So I'm in this light. This rejection block is holding. This rejection block is holding. My stop loss is kind of below this breaker, and below this fair value gap low, because realistically, we're not going to come back down to this 5-minute order block. Or we are, but we'll probably just tap and then go. To be honest with you, because on the lower time frame here, we have a 5-minute order block, obviously, but 1 minute here, it's showing like nice resistance here or nice support here. We have a breaker, we have a fair value gap, rejection block off the fair value gap. This doesn't look bad. And this is a nice little CRT here. I'll be careful about this 15-minute fair value gap up here also. We do have a 15-minute gap here also. See what happens here. I want to see this unicorn hold. Alright. Okay, where he stopped. Okay. Alright. It's fine. I saw the vision. Vision was there. Our vision was there. The execution was not. That's fine. Alright. Alright, I'll wait one more time. I went live risk. No, because right here we had a rejection block and plus a breaker plus a fair value gap. So I anticipated this to hold, and we had SMT at the lows here also. So yeah, no, I do see that we have 15-minute gap up here also. The thing is, we also have a devil's mark up here also, right? This is a strong draw for me. Let's see. Like I said, I went super light risk here. Let's just wait. Perhaps I should have taken it on ES, but we'll just wait. Yeah, we have a devil's mark at the bottom and a devil's mark at the bottom and at the top, right? And the thing is, we just CRT this low, SMT, and then start to see structure up, displacement, breaker for value gap. But if you look at ES went a little bit higher than anticipated. So right now, I'll just wait. And we had a change in state, breaker. Like I said, this wasn't a terrible trade, but perhaps I should have waited for this gap. So that's what I'll do. Wait for this gap. A God's mark is everywhere. Let's see. If we can potentially CRT this low, tap this gap, I'll look for longs. Because if X is here, X is most likely going to retrace, and then go higher potentially. Let's see what happens here. I should stop blocking longs today. No, I took a small little loss here. That's on me. That's on me, chat. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'll take one more before 12. If 12 happens, then I'll just get off. But before 12, I'll look for something if we can get it. Gosh, this guy's so weird. Let's see what happens here. And die with a smile if the world was ending. How's it going? I took a small L. Small little L, chat. Like I said, we just wait. Who knows? Maybe, perhaps, I could have had my stop loss down here, you know? And price looks like it's kind of... looks like it's kind of pushing back up. Who knows? Maybe my stop loss could have been here. But at the same time, we just wait. What state you in? I'm in Oklahoma. Yeah, no. If we don't do anything before, if 12 happens, if we don't really come down to this gap or anything, I'll probably just get off. I'm on 50K evaluation for top, so should I be trading micro Nasdaq or Nasdaq, bro? It just depends on what your stop loss is. Since you're on 50K, I would prefer micros. But yeah, I prefer micros. I thought Thailand really changed you, but it did nothing, bro. It was just a small L, bro. Like I know for a fact you took an L. Don't do that to me. I know you took an L too. I have no idea. I have no fucking idea. Long in that fair value was like asking a girl to see how much she weighs and expecting to get her number. Yeah, and I just fail. Little bro, when is the trade wars? I don't know, but I plan on doing an ICT roulette. ICT roulette or ICT Jeopardy. ICT concepts Jeopardy. Those long candles are just beautiful. Allah, what the heck? Haha, I didn't even look at the charts today. Nah, it just pushed up, bro. I couldn't get an entry. This is just a retracement to me. What's your entry model? I literally enter off of like a breaker, a fair value gap. It just depends, honestly. Looks like this 5-minute order block is holding nicely. Consequent encroachment, this order block. We swept at the slow rejection block here. How did IC get so large and have everyone start to MC? I really don't. It was like the most. I saw it more clearly than like supply and demand and like all that stuff. Excuse me. Like supply and demand, like you gotta like. It's kind of discretion. But ICT is kind of just there. Like, you see it more clearly. Like, you know what I mean? I longed, bro. We're not shorts, bro. This 5-minute rejection block is holding, though. Bro, if you go to Top Step. And you type in my name is there. In the payouts tab. Like, don't do that to me, bro. Like, come on. Lock in, bro. Bro, this 5-minute rejection block held nicely, bro. I just got stopped out of my freaking trade, man. 5-minute rejection block, etc. This is a long. Trust. This is a long. Now, this is a long. I'm glad I didn't take that on my evals or my funded. No, I can't. It's already up way too high. My stops would be like at this low. But this could be my propulsion block. We could see this internal range liquidity appear. If we can close above this order block here. But it looks like we're about to have SMT at these highs too, man. So I'd rather just wait, chat. Yeah, I'd probably just get off, to be honest with you. Come back, reanalyze everything, and just get off. But, bro, honestly, the only reason why I longed was because, I mean, the entry model was there, right? Entry model was there. I think I longed here. Like, a stop loss. Sorry, it was like right here somewhere. It was like somewhere here. But, if you need me like I need you, so if I go, baby, out. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. I'm not a bro. Listen. Every trade, you have to have it's a pattern. You don't just like, bro. I don't think people understand, bro. This is Bro. Bro, listen. Bro, listen. Every entry model is a pattern. Alright? You just need context. My context was, oh, sweep, CRT, right? Breaker, fair value gap, SMT at lows, right? Price came down, tapped this rejection block, right? I get stopped out of my trade. And then boom. Rejection block here. Listen. Every concept, every fucking pattern, every model is a pattern, all right? But you need to have context behind it. That was my context. That was my narrative. That was my everything, right? And CRT. Look at this 15-minute CRT. Boom, 15-minute CRT. Go on the 5-minute. Rejection block here. After sweeping out the slow. I guess this is technically internal. But internal to like potentially external above these highs. That's like, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in. I'm arguing with everybody, bro. My stop loss wasn't at this low because of where my entry was, right? Because realistically, if you're bullish, right? Listen, if you're bullish, right? Let's say you're bullish and we just broke structure, we're not gonna come back down to this fucking order block down here and then go higher. I mean, we can, right? But the thing is, like, what are the chances of it doing that, right? If we have a breaker, we have a fair value gap, that's already a strong idea of where price is most likely going to bounce off of, right? Realistically, yes. We could come down to the order block, rejection block, right? But if we're truly bullish, the fair value gap and the breaker is going to be your entry. Like, bro, like, yes, this example, yes, we did come down to the rejection block. Right, you're correct. But at the time, we had a breaker, we have a low, high, lower low, broke below the low, swept at the low, broke above the high, left displacement with a breaker, right? That was like my strong idea of like, okay, prices, if we have a breaker, price is going to respect this area, right? And boom. The breaker, perhaps, yeah, of course, the breaker didn't hold. We displaced below it, right? But it looks like we came out to the rejection block. Like, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Why didn't you long it? Perhaps you're correct. I could have longed in a discount. You're right. That could have been my area of like, come on, lock in. Of course. That's something I could note. I could note that. No, I could note that, right? This area was not in a discount of the range. You're correct. You are correct, right? Good job. That's, yeah, maybe I should have done that. All right, I'll keep that in mind. Actually, I'll actually keep that in mind. All right, I'll keep that in mind. Actually, yes, the entry model was here, but discount and premium. Looks like we tapped OTE, rejection block, and in discount. Right. You could have like longed in this area, right? Rejection block, consequent encroachment, stop loss at this low. It targeted like this high or some shit. You're right. You're absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. No. All right. I'm just gonna record the trade recap really quick, and then like get off. Right. I'm done trading. You know what? Just so you guys know that I'm done trading, I'll even lock out. Just so you guys know I'm done trading for the day, I'll even long out. I'll even lock myself. Perfect, Q. You're actually a G. All right, lock, right? All right, this is the trade recap of today's trades. I'm currently still live, but this is the trade recap. All right, basically, I am down about, let me check. I'm down about $80 or $88. So let's pull out the handy dandy calculator, copy trade to two accounts. Let's do 88. Let's do 88 minus, or 88 plus, I meant. 88.70. Let's do the exact dime. Oh, 88 times 70 times 2, right? Exact time. $177.40. All right, perfect. Right? Drop down. All right, so what today happened was this is my like my quarterly theory right here. Let me draw out this is a trade recap. I'm still live, by the way, but this is my quarterly theory. Let me mark in my Gann box. All right, boom. So basically, going into the day, the first stage accumulated, and the second stage manipulated to this 4-hour gap, creating SMT divergence. And then I anticipated 9 o'clock to 10:30 to distribute, right? And previous daily high was my target, but we ended up going above it and creating no SMT at the highs, right? So then I'm like, okay, look, this is fine, whatever, right? I'm bullish, right? Standard deviation was at -2 standard deviation. I was like, okay, look, I'm still bullish, and the reason why was because no PD ratio left, and yeah, bullish, and anticipating -3.5 to 4 standard deviation, dropping down to the 15, right? I wanted to see this gap, right? And the only reason why was because of this devil's mark and this gap to retrace back down after tapping -2 standard deviation. So basically, price came down. We CRT'd this low. Drop it down to the 5-minute. We have a rejection block after sweeping out this CRT and plus this low right here, right? And SMT divergence, right? And come down, drop down to the 1. SMT at these lows. And I was waiting, right? I was waiting, right? Whatever. We have a low, high, lower low. We have a breaker. So then I'm like, okay, look, this looks good for long, right? Breaker, etc. Boom. Price displaces up, breaks above the high. We have a displacement. If we have a breaker, nested inside of this fair value gap, nested inside of this devil's mark area, right? So I'm like, okay, look, this looks really good, right? This could be a nice little rejection block off of this level. So I ended up entering here, stop loss below, a little bit below the breaker, and at this fair value gap below. So then I get stopped out, right? After that, it looks like price ended up rejecting off this rejection block and then displacing up towards the upside, right? And that's something I could have noted, right? Obviously, right? The only reason why I entered up here was because if this is, yes, the only reason why I longed up here was because we have a high, we have a breaker and a fair value and a rejection. So this looks good. It looked good at the time, right? But if you draw your premium and discount from this low to this high, I didn't long in a premium, or I didn't long in a discount. That was obviously my fault, right? That was obviously my fault. And yeah, this is my fault, right? It looked good. The entry pattern was there, right? But discount, gotta focus on that. In OT, so if you come here, 5-minute rejection block, 1-minute OTE order block, etc. Right? And as you tell, we're displacing towards the upside, towards my drawn liquidity, which was this 15-minute devil's mark up here, right? Yeah, so that's something I could have noted. I'm down about $177.40, and yeah, other than that, tough day today for the young boy, but all good. Other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video, in the stream. Thank you guys so much for being in here. Hopefully tomorrow we can make more money. But yeah, other than that, guys, I will see you guys all, and I say all,